science. Science is important to the society because it helps to address issues that are of concern to the general population. Scientific principles have been and continue to apply to address issues, concerns, and problems that people face in day-to-day aspects of living. Technology has also played an important role in improving the quality of life in human settlements. The text is a source of data for technologists who aim to improve technology and serve the interest of mankind. Society is a group of individuals involved in persistent social interaction or a large social group sharing the same geographical or social territory, typically subjected to the same political authority and dominant cultural expectations.
Biodiversity and a healthy society describes the variety of living beings on Earth, or the degree of variation of life. It includes all ecosystem managed or unmanaged ecosystem, such as wildlands, nature parks, or nation preserves.
Technology has a purpose and relevance. Technologies help us to do our work better. Being empowered with the right tools, human work can be joyous, uplifting, satisfying, cathartic, inspiring, and transformative. But we should use technologies according to their intended functions, a tool to connect with our friends and loved ones. So it is our obligation to use technologies wisely, because technologies are created to help us humans live comfortable and meaningful life, and that's the purpose and relevance of technology.
Focus is on the human interaction with the arts, culture of sailors, passengers, peoples of different cities and communities.
Essence of the good life. Essence of the good life means that living a good life is living with a good spirit, which is characterized by happiness and excellence. This explains why every one person does what he thinks is the best for him. Like for example, achieving education, engaging in sport, traveling, going out with friends, or sleeping as well. But the true good essence of life is helping for those in needs.
With technology and humanity process, in their ultimate pursuit of good life, humans have tapped technologies to attain self-modification. Technological modifications such as plastic surgery, organ transplant, plastics, and sexual realignment is on the rise. The use of technology such as human enhancing technology, human universal load carrier, and Google Glass allows the user to communicate in a language which they are not familiar with. Science, technology, and society. Science is important to the society because it helps.
Being empowered with right tools, human can work
Smile. Okay. Okay na. Isa pa. Isa pa. Pagwapo niya. Kana. Smile. Mos, kamu yung mos. Yan.
Gago!